3A Group is back again with a new video on topic quick edema. A very good evening to my respected teacher and my dear friends. Hope you all are safe at home. I am Ravina from 3A Group 4th year and today our group will discuss this topic. Let's get started.
Angioedema is the rapid swelling of dermis, subcutaneous tissue, mucosa and submucosal tissue. Swelling may occur on face, tongue, larynx, abdomen, arm and legs.
Types of angioedema include first, hereditary angioedema, second, idiopathic angioedema, third, drug-induced angioedema and fourth, allergic or acute angioedema.
Acute or allergic angioedema, in this the swelling is caused by an allergic reaction such as the reaction to peanut. Drug-induced angioedema, in this the swelling is a side effect of certain medications.
Hereditary angioedema. It is a disorder characterized by recurrent episodes of swelling. The most common area of the body to develop swellings are limbs, face, intestinal tract and airways.
Drug allergy. Medicines such as antibiotic like penicillin, non-steroidal and anti-inflammatory drugs and blood pressure medicines and pollen also, and infections or with other illness like autoimmune and leukemia and lymphomia, and finally history also.
Angioedema is swelling due to increased intravascular permeability and extravasation of the intravascular fluid. The mediators involved are first are mast cell, that is histamines and granules.
Risk factors: age 30 to 60 years old. Other condition: eczema, hives, asthma, gender females, and drinking alcohol, taking etc., emotional stress, hypothyroidism, and menstruation.
Signs and symptoms of angioedema. Acute angioedema. Large and thick film wells, swelling of the skin, pain or warmth in the affected areas, difficulty breathing and swelling in several causes.
Diagnosis: the doctor will examine the belts and area of swelling. If they are still present, take a careful medical history to identify possible causes. If the causes is not apparent from the medical history or symptom, the doctor may recommend an allergic skin test.
Investigation: there are no point of care tests. Treated what you see and from the patient's history. Bedside: fiber optic laryngoscopy laboratory test identify the level of C1 stress, C4 level and tryptase level. Imagine CD abdominal may show evidence of angioedema in a patient presenting with abdominal pain.
Fringe patch test. This is a type of skin test that are performed first. Tiny drop of purified extract allergen is fringed on the skin surface. This test is usually performed to identify the type of allergen like pollen, animal dander, penicillin, food, snake venom.
Extradermal test. Purified allergens are injected into the skin of the arm. Then doctors may perform this test if they strongly suspected allergy to an irritant, even though your prick test is negative, especially to an irritant to which of a future reaction could be life-threatening, such as insect venom or penicillin.
First blood test. First one is the mast cell levels may be indicated of the attack was due to an acute allergic reaction. Second one is the when the doctor suspect hereditary angioedema, he or she may order of the blood test to the check for the problems of complement factors 2 and 4 that may indicate dependent of the C1 inhibitor.
Differential diagnosis. The most common differential diagnosis is urticaria, but urticaria, commonly known as hives, occurs in the upper dermis. Like food allergies, hymenoptera, stings, hypersensitivity reactions, delayed, and latex allergy. The dermis, subcutaneous tissues, mucosa and submucosal tissues.
Treatment of angioedema. The acute angioedema, they give antihistamine, anti-inflammatory, corticosteroid, epinephrine shot and give the inhaler to open up the airways. And hereditary angioedema, they give antihistamine and corticosteroid. Prevention of angioedema: avoid the known triggering factors and keep the diary to maintain which type of the substance and which type of the food are.
Prognosis. Angioedema that does not affect the breathing, may be uncomfortable but is usually harmless and go away in a few days. So angioedema had a very good.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe my channel.